अभी उठा हूँ मैं, थोड़ा कॉफ़ी पी रहा हूँ, जिम जाना है वो तो हो जाएगा। बट आई वाज थिंकिंग आई शुड ग्राइंड द फक आउट ऑफ कोडिंग। मैंने बहुत दिनों से ठीक से कोडिंग किया तो है नहीं। आई वाज थिंकिंग मोर लाइक 4 to 5 hours of just straight grind, क्योंकि बहुत दिनों से कोडिंग किया नहीं है। हम सॉर्ट ऑफ शॉर्ट ऑन टाइम। समर ख़त्म होने में बस 1 महीना बाकी है, तो आई गॉट टेक दिस शिट सीरियसली, कंप्लीट सिग्निफिकेंट अमाउंट ऑफ डीके से, ताकि थोड़ा प्रोग्रेस हो जाए ब्रो। बिकॉज आई एम स्टिल स्टक एट एरे। फिर स्ट्रिंग्स करना है, फिर स्टैक्स करना है, फिर स्कीमा की ऑल ऑफ दैट बुलशिट। अभी तो थोड़ा कॉफ़ी पियेंगे, थोड़ा इंजॉय करेंगे मॉर्निंग मॉर्निंग। आज लेग्स है, तो लेग्स में तो भाई मैं आई वाज वॉकिंग आज, तो मैं ऐसे गार्ड में लेके घूम रहा था। सो दैट्स गोना बी फन। सो विल डू लेग्स टुडे। इट्स गोना बी पेनफुल डे बट इट विल बी फन बिकॉज नो पेन नो गेन। Oh fuck.
बस से लिखना भी बेहतर बारिश वो लिखने कर रहा हूँ बिल्कुल से बारिश। Leg day has this weird thing where once you will never feel like doing a leg day, but once you start, I don't know, maybe it's the oxytocin getting released. It feels so, I feel so happy right now. For the weirdest shit, I just feel happy. This song, never heard this song, but it feels like a jam. It's good, I love it.
Waiting after the next one is one of those things kind of a dream.
kgs, and that felt too light. And then I went to 32, which also felt light. मुझे ये वर्कआउट करके थोड़ा टाइम हो गया, so I don't know which weight I need to do. Now on my last set, I'm gonna do 41. It's a great jump. So I'm aiming between 6 to 8 reps. अगर हो गया ना भाई, क्या वर्कआउट है वैसे भाई, orgasm हो जाएगा बेंच पे. So let's see, 6 to 8 reps. Nine fucking reps, baby. Come on. Too good. Too fucking good. जब मैं 12th में था, all of this bullshit I didn't even think about कि आगे जाके कैसा रहेगा. I never gave myself a chance to explore, and I feel like that's a lot of people, especially ये जो 12th वाले लोग हैं. lot of people 10th में अच्छे marks आ गए तो force कर दिया science लेने में, because if you're a good scorer, schools want people who can score good. और साइंस टीम में अगर यू स्कोर गुड, स्कूल का नाम बढ़ता है, तो इसलिए दे वुड पेस्टर स्टूडेंट्स हु स्कोर वेल टू टेक साइंस इवन इफ दे वांट टू डू समथिंग एल्स. एंड आई फील लाइक मेरे साथ वो हुआ सिंस I got decent in 10th. I was told to take science, and for the whole concept of computer science, if you get, you'll mint money if you're good at that. That kind of put a constraint on my mind कि मैं क्या कि और कुछ भी है. उसके बाद में मैंने कभी सोचा ही नहीं. I never researched into how it would be if I take commerce or arts for that sake. And I think that's a lot of students doing that. It's been a year since I'm in college. और summer हुआ तो I came back and I thought I'll get in touch with a senior. Up till now, I had streamlined my journey only to software development. Coding करता हूँ, उसमें थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है, so I'll just do that. Software development करना है. And मैं मेरे बड़े भाई के दोस्त से बात की. First thing he tells me is, Abhi, change your mindset. You're too young to be deciding ki what exactly you want to do. You're better off exploring. And I was like, fuck bro, वो तो सोचा ही नहीं कभी. What if there's something else which I would find more fun? क्योंकि at the end of the day, if your work is fun, work won't feel like work. तो वो बोला भाई, मेरी ऐसे गांड फट गई. At the moment it felt like कि my whole plan was collapsing, but then it is so true. Later on I realized, fuck bro, that's so right. And it feels so much. मैं साइंस लिया एंड साइंस लेना काफ़ी नहीं था. आई थॉट कि बहन चल IIT क्रैक करेंगे एंड आई स्टार्टेड कोचिंग and it was only like 6 months after coaching was ass because weekday school weekend 9 ghante coaching. It was then when I realized ki fuck bro, I don't want to do this. I don't want to be that IIT and wala material guy. I want to study but I want to do things on the side as well, and that won't happen if I do coaching. So मैंने वो realize किया and I still didn't do anything about it. I didn't leave that coaching center क्योंकि 1 लाख पे कर लिया था. फिर वो feeling था कि I'm wasting my parents' money, and that is scary. So I didn't have the strength to go and tell them कि no, I don't want to do this anymore. And इतना regret हुआ मेरे को because bro, 1 साल का हर weekend went to fucking coaching, and now and I was still for the past year in that mindset कि हाँ यही करना है. Although I didn't really know कि what it is to be a software engineer, how it actually is. तो फिर वो मेरे को अभी मैं रिसर्च कर रहा हूँ, मेरे को अभी उसकी समझ आ रही है, and now it feels like a lot of doors have opened for me which I'm more comfortable doing. Actually no, it's not more comfortable because पहले तो पता था क्या करना है, अभी पता नहीं. So now I need to understand how different departments of engineering are and what I really want to do. Although it's less comfortable, I feel like it's more freeing and it'd be better in the grand run, it'd be better. मैंने एक ये पढ़ा था, instead of asking yourself what you want to do, you gotta ask yourself what is the struggle instead of asking yourself what to do, you gotta ask yourself what is the struggle that you're ready to go through. I feel like a lot of people of my age and younger than me have so much struggles just because they end up doing what they don't want to do. And a lot of people, I feel like are smart enough to, when they do things that they're not interested in, they're still good at it. And the only reason they do it is because they're good at it, not because they enjoy it or anything. So I feel like this step back and looking at it and thinking about it in the next 40 years, do you really want to be doing this? What are the other things that you could be doing? Uska importance is hitting me now. And I'm glad that happened.
Woohoo! Yay!
All the fun stuff is done. अभी करेंगे grind. Fully से grind. It's 6:45 right now. Till 9. Cause we be crazy like that, bro. I record a time lapse.
easy.